what's going on, guys? You hear the piano playing in the background ever so faintly. That piano is important to this episode because we had a really special day with one of the classic performers, piano players. His name was Johnny Hodges. Here's some pictures of him playing in the old days. And he's a guy who comes back every once in a while, like just to come hang out. Just as a part guest. Yeah. We stumbled upon him one day when we were listening to some of the music being played at the time and felt like dancing. We got to talking to him and he's like, let me show you guys what I used to do here at Disneyland. And sure enough, we were so impressed by his musical abilities. It was absolutely crazy. It reflects the magic that is Disneyland to us, the things that happen that are like, wow, we won't ever forget that. And so we hope you enjoyed as much as we did, and here it is right now. Okay.
It's called Handyman.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Ethel Waters.
Let's hear it.
Remember Ethel Waters? I don't.
Okay, so he's been retired for how long now?
sharing that. Yes.
Such a handy man.
You're such a handy man.
Whoa. is.
You'd be good at it. I spotted right away.
That was so cool. Would you give us your name?
Johnny Hodges.
Johnny Hodges?
Hodges. Hodges.
Johnny Hodges. Awesome, Johnny. Well, such a pleasure, man. You just made our day.
We have guys like Noel playing the piano.
Yep.
A bunch of other guys, including myself. Wonderful.
You both are so talented.
She's a singer. She says she's not, but I just heard her.
And that means a lot coming from you. Because you have an ear and a talent, so flatters.
Ear to sponge.
Aw, thank you guys so much.
Thanks, John. I'm sure we'll see you again.
Yeah, come on.
See you, Noel. Thank you, brother.
To the Hungry
Appreciate it.
Bear. Thank you. It's nice
You're
meeting
welcome.
Thanks, gents. We'll definitely see you soon. Awesome.
Right.
Made our day.
you. Okay, guys, we hope you enjoyed this amazing
That was so
video.
awesome. You got to come see Noel at the Coke Corner because he's the guy that he's here all the time. He's one of the main performer cast members now. But if you're lucky enough, you may stumble upon Johnny Hodges.
So make sure if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
And don't forget to turn on your notifications because we go live all the time on Live Disney and Beyond.
That's right. We'll see you next time on Live Disney and Beyond. Bye-bye, everybody.